Hi guys, my name is Nelly and I'm the Kenyan girl doing stories on sustainable development. As you know, it's Friday, so we're going to have another story about SDGs or DIY or related. So today I'm going to do a review of a product. The products I'm doing today, like any other products that I will do, is cruelty-free products, which means products that have not been tested on animals. And there are also products that are not sold in countries that are mandated by law to test their products on animals before they are sold. So my favorite one, the one that I've been using, I think, for such a long time, is Rituals. It's a brand based in Holland, but they sell the products all over. You can get their products in most cities, I think. Most of these were gifts, actually almost all of them. All of these were gifts except the tiny Rituals, which is my baby's thing there. Okay, so why do I love these products? These products are made with ethics and social responsibility. Most of them are ideal for vegans and vegetarians. They have such beautiful packaging. This is one of my absolute favorites. It's a dry oil. It's an exciting dry oil for your body. It's sweet orange and cedar wood. And I love that. And this is also one of my favorite, the Sakura, Rituals of Sakura. The shampoo is really beautiful and it smells so good. And when you put it on your skin, it just lingers on, you know. It's like the smell just caresses your whole being. And it just so happened that I got similar gifts and they were all from Rituals. That's how predictable I am. One of my absolute favorites is the Happy Buddha, and it's written "Smile and the world smiles back." It's an exciting dry oil for your body. It smells so good, and if you want to put it on body, you just and it just works. You use very little, smells so good, and it stays on your skin for such a long time, and it just smells so good. The smell lingers. The smell goes all over your surrounding, and it makes everything. Makes you have a positive outlook towards life. One of my best is the Ritual of Sakura, and it's written "Celebrate each day." It's written "Celebrate each day." There we go. Okay. Sakura is to represent the ritual of the annual flowering of the cherry blossom. The Sakura. They believe that this annual flowering is an awakening of nature, and the beauty is momentary, and that life must be enjoyed. The ritual, this one is to remind you that every day is a new beginning and has to be enjoyed to the fullest. Of course, they have the. This one is not open yet. It's the yellow one. There's this. Really beautiful, and it's oil based and it scrubs so well. It's written "The Ritual of Ayurveda, rejuvenating Himalayan salt scrub." It's made of sweet almond oil and Indian rose. Oh, that's so good. Okay, that's it. Let me show you another one of my favorite thing I made, because I'm such a big fan of having tea. So I used to have all these loose tea bags stuck together. Let me show you. There we go. Okay, so I once got a gift. I once got a tea set, a Chinese tea set. Yeah, there we go. But I finished it, and then I had this box remaining. So what I did, because I had so many loose tea boxes, like this one's from Kericho Gold, and this I basically got I made a hole here, and if you can see the hole, and then I put another hole here and put a string through. To basically put a string through, you see, so that when I open, it opens and stays this way, and then I select whichever tea that I want, pick it up and use it, and then everything is still intact. It's such a beautiful way of organizing your tea. Yeah. One thing I believe about waste is that you either reuse, refuse, recycle, rot, reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and rot. You know, that's how we're supposed to be consuming stuff. Those 5 R's. Let me just repeat again. Reduce, reuse, recycle, or refuse, and rot. Yeah. So for the perishable goods, they can rot and then used for composting. You can also refuse. I'm not going to take something that is of just one use, like plastic straws. You can reduce the amount of things you purchase. You can reuse, like for example, this box. You know, that's another beautiful thing that I love about Rituals. They think about the environment. They make such cute boxes that you can repurpose this into something else. I can't reuse this one. I'm going to transform this one into something so beautiful. Keep around. Yeah? And then you'll see what I'll turn it into. So when you get this box, you get this kind of tag. It's written, it's a luxury keepsake box. And you should reuse it to store your favorite things like earrings or tea. Enjoy this free luxury keepsake box. The box has a unique design and is made of environmentally safe materials. It gives you the perfect place to store memorable moments. The reason why I love this brand is because they care about the environment, they care about animals, they care about us, and this is a product that gets me to keep in touch with my feminine side a lot more, and also to keep in touch with my spiritual side. So yeah, I think that's about it. Those are the 2 things I wanted to show you today. How to make a tea bag storage box, and Rituals products because of the organic way they are and their cruelty-free policy that they have. And they're also products that keep an eye, no, it's a product that is produced ethically and it's socially responsible. And that's about it.